Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Pebblebee is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tracking devices on the market, offering a seamless blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design to help you keep tabs on your most important belongings. Whether you're constantly misplacing your keys, want to ensure your backpack doesn't stray too far, or need a discreet way to monitor your pet's whereabouts, Pebblebee provides peace of mind through its robust tracking capabilities and long-lasting battery life, making it an indispensable tool for the modern, on-the-go individual. Number 5. NPET K10 Wired Gaming Keyboard. Experience stunning LED backlighting with customizable modes and brightness levels. It enhances visibility and adds a stylish touch to your gaming setup. Don't worry about accidents. This keyboard features a spill-resistant design, protecting it from liquid spills and daily wear for reliable performance. Enjoy a comfortable and quiet typing experience. Its silent membrane keys reduce noise and minimize distractions, perfect for any environment. Control your media with ease using dedicated multimedia keys. Simply plug it in via USB for instant compatibility with your computer. Designed for comfort and stability, it's perfect for gaming or work. It's compatible with most desktop and laptop systems. What we like. This keyboard offers vibrant LED backlighting for a stylish gaming aesthetic and a spill-resistant design for enhanced durability. Its quiet membrane keys ensure a comfortable typing experience. If you're looking for a reliable and quiet keyboard for both gaming and everyday use, especially in a shared space, this is a great choice. What people say. The Pebblebee is a great alternative to Apple AirTags, offering similar functionality without the Apple ecosystem lock-in. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The range is impressive, and the sound alert is loud enough to find your item even in a noisy environment. Number 4. Tec Atlas GPS Tracker. Get everything you need to start tracking right out of the box. Our service plans are flexible and affordable, with no contracts or hidden fees. Enjoy up to 14 days of battery life on a single charge. Its compact design makes it perfect for tracking vehicles, kids, or other valuable assets. Stay informed with real-time tracking updates, as frequent as every 5 seconds. Our user-friendly app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Our advanced time machine feature allows you to review historical routes and see where the device has been. Set up custom geofences and receive instant alerts when the device enters or leaves designated areas, or get notified about speeding. Benefit from extensive 4G coverage across North America and globally. It's a superior alternative to Bluetooth trackers for true location awareness. Setting up is as easy as scanning a QR code and downloading our app. Plus, enjoy 7-day-a-week support in English and Spanish. What we like. This GPS tracker boasts an impressive 14-day battery life and provides real-time tracking updates as fast as every 5 seconds. It also features geofencing capabilities for custom boundary alerts. If you need to monitor vehicles, kids, or valuable assets with long-lasting power and precise location updates, this tracker is ideal. What people say. The Pebblebee is a great alternative to AirTags, especially for Android users. It's easy to set up and use, and the app is intuitive. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several months on a single charge. Number 3. Tile Slim 2022 1-Pack. Introducing the Tile Slim, the ultra-thin tracker designed to keep all your valuables safe. Easily slide it into your wallet, luggage, or attach it to your notebook. Misplaced something nearby? Use the Tile app to make it ring when it's within Bluetooth range. You can also ask your smart home device to help you locate it. Out of Bluetooth range? No problem. The Tile app shows you the last known location of your item on a map, giving you peace of mind. Can't find your phone? Simply double-press the button on your Tile. It will make your phone ring, even if it's on silent mode. Lost your item outside? Leverage the secure and anonymous Tile network. If someone finds it, they can easily contact you by scanning the QR code on your Tile. If your Tile is lost, you can add your contact information. This ensures that anyone who finds it can reach out to you securely and easily. What we like. This tracker is incredibly slim, designed to easily slide into wallets or attach to various items. It allows you to ring your tracker from your phone, find your phone by double-pressing the tracker, and even provides a QR code for anonymous recovery. If you frequently misplace small items like your wallet or keys and want a discreet tracking solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The Pebblebee is a great alternative to AirTags, offering similar functionality at a competitive price point. I love the sleek design of the Pebblebee, and it fits perfectly on my keychain without adding bulk. The range on the Pebblebee is impressive, and I was able to locate my keys from across my house. Number 2. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience seamless integration with your Apple smart home devices. It's designed for users within the Apple ecosystem, offering a great security camera solution without a subscription. This outdoor camera is built to withstand any weather condition with its IP67 weatherproof rating. You can rely on its year-round performance for your home security. Enjoy all the features without any hidden costs. This security camera operates without requiring any monthly fees, saving you money. Benefit from an impressive 180-day battery life on just one charge. This provides extended, hassle-free security monitoring with minimal maintenance. Intelligent human detection accurately identifies people using body shape and face pattern recognition. This enhances your security measures for a robust home security system. Capture every detail with stunning 1080p HD resolution. Enjoy clear footage day or night with its advanced night vision capabilities. Receive alerts only when motion is detected, reducing unnecessary notifications. This smart system ensures you're informed about important events. What we like. This security camera system offers a 180-day battery life on a single charge and boasts HomeKit compatibility for seamless smart home integration. Crucially, it requires no monthly fees for full functionality. If you're an Apple user looking for a robust, long-lasting, and cost-effective outdoor security solution, this camera kit is an excellent option. What people say. The Pebblebee is a great alternative to Apple's AirTag, offering similar functionality at a competitive price point. Its sleek design and durable build make it a stylish and reliable accessory for your belongings. The app is user-friendly and provides accurate tracking, allowing you to easily locate your lost items. Number 1. Ridge Wallet for Women. Introducing the Ridge Wallet for Women, a minimalist wallet designed for the modern woman. It's slim, stylish, and perfectly sized for your everyday needs. Protect your cards and personal information with advanced RFID blocking technology. Keep your essentials safe and secure wherever you go. Experience the convenience of a slim profile that fits comfortably in any pocket or small purse. It's the perfect size for on the go. Don't let its size fool you. This wallet can hold up to 12 cards, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Upgrade your everyday carry with a wallet that combines elegance, security, and practicality. It's the ideal choice for women who value both style and function. What we like. This wallet features a minimalist design that is slim and pocket-friendly, capable of holding up to 12 cards. It also includes RFID protection to keep your financial information secure. If you prefer a streamlined, compact wallet that prioritizes security and card capacity without unnecessary bulk, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Pebblebee Clip is a great alternative to AirTags, especially for Android users. It's very easy to set up and use, and the app is intuitive. The range is excellent, and the sound is loud enough to find your keys even in a noisy environment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.